In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Slack huddle and fix your microphone when no one can hear you. We've all been there. You pop into a quick huddle, say hello, and get nothing back but silence. Today I'll show you exactly how to get into a huddle and, more importantly, how to troubleshoot the mic so your teammates can actually hear you. Start by opening Slack. This works the same way whether you're in the desktop app or a browser. Once Slack is open, head to the channel or the direct message where you want to meet. Down in the lower left of the sidebar, look for the little headphones icon. Click the arrow next to it for more huddle options, then choose Start Huddle. You're in. If the microphone icon is pulsing like you're talking but nobody responds, don't panic. We'll walk through the right settings to check. The most common cause is that Slack has chosen the wrong input device. Maybe it grabbed your laptop's built-in mic while your external headset is sitting right there. Inside the huddle window, click the gear icon to open Settings, then go to Audio Settings. Under the microphone dropdown, you'll likely see a few choices. If you're using a USB headset, select it by name so there's no guesswork. If you're on Bluetooth, avoid anything labeled hands-free AG audio, which routes audio through a low-quality profile and can make you sound muffled. Instead, pick the option that says stereo or high definition. While you're in that menu, glance at the input level meter. Speak at your normal volume and watch for movement. If the bar doesn't move at all, that usually means the issue is outside Slack. Either the computer isn't receiving a signal, the mic is muted on the device, or the connection isn't secure. If the bar moves but people still can't hear you, hop back to the main huddle screen and make sure you're not muted there. If Slack says it can't find a microphone at all, that's almost always a permissions block. Your system may be protecting your privacy by preventing apps from listening. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and confirm Slack is toggled on. On Windows, open Sound Settings, then Microphone Privacy Settings, and make sure Allow Desktop Apps to Access Your Microphone is enabled. If you're using Slack in a web browser, check the address bar for the lock icon. Click it and set microphone to allow for the site. If it's blocked at the browser level, changing settings inside Slack won't help. If you've confirmed the device, the levels, and the permissions, and it's still not cooperating, try the quick reset that fixes more than you'd expect. In the Slack desktop app, do a hard refresh, Control+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This reloads the app's audio brain without signing you out and often clears up driver hiccups. Before you wrap, give the physical setup a once-over. Many headsets have a hardware mute switch that's easy to bump. Flip it off if it's engaged. Make sure USB connectors are fully seated, and, if you're on Bluetooth, that the headset is actually connected to this computer and not to another device nearby. Sometimes the smallest detail is the missing link. And that's it. Now you know how to start a huddle and how to methodically fix the microphone when you're greeted by silence. Save these checks for your next meeting, and you'll be back to being heard clearly and confidently. Happy huddling, and I'll see you in the next one.